All right, so the next point we're gonna make today is what vapor honing does versus dry glass beading again. Vapor honing is really good at lapping or smoothing the surface. One of the big key points behind this and why this is effective and really great is the fact that it does not stain or it does not absorb exuberant amounts of contaminants like a dry blasted surface would. Obviously, dry blasted surfaces are more open and more porous in nature than a vapor honing surface or vapor honed surface. So they're more stain resistant, and obviously being more stain resistant, which means they're smoother as well than a dry blasting surface. All right, the next point we're going to make is based off of the impact of the abrasive. So being that we have less impact on the surface than dry glass beading, this also means that we have less abrasive embedment into the substrate itself. In the PVD coating industry, it's a very thin film coating. Obviously, they are very, very stringent and tight on abrasive embedment. Also with the anodizing process, being it's essentially staining the aluminum. There's no film thickness there. Media embedment with anodizing causes the anodizing to fisheye, meaning that there's abrasive embedded in the part, so the anodized doesn't really want to take to the part. PVD coating's the same, it will fisheye as well. So media embedment is obviously an issue for coating applications, but it can also be an issue in any other industry in the world, whether it's restoration or CNC machining, because now you have abrasives embedded into materials that could be moving against another part, a working part, and obviously you know what's going to happen with media embedment on those parts. So another key point is media embedment and the lack of with vapor honing versus dry blast.